Hello everybody, this is a quick-ish tutorial on how to complete your or obtain your paraprofessional license in the state of Illinois and also find jobs and apply for them. So the first thing you should make sure is that you meet the qualifications for or the requirements for the paraprofessional license. So up on the screen right now you see those. You have to be 19. You have to have either an associate's degree or 60 hours of coursework, of college coursework completed, or you can take the ACT Work Keys test, which we offer here at College of DuPage. So those are the three options. They have letter C is an additional option, but most people here take the ACT Work Keys test. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So if you go to the cod.edu/testing, you see that here, cod.edu/testing, you'll come to this page and you can see the tests that are administered. If you click on tests administered, and then you're going to scroll down to the Work Keys test. And here you can see what the requirements are. Highlighting this here, the paraprofessional certificate for teacher assistants is $50. Okay, so you can take the paraprofessional test, and that's going to be $50, and you can do that here at COD. So to register for that, you just click register for an exam, and then you can sit for the test. Okay, so then teaching assistant certification, and then you can choose when you want to take it, where you want to take it, and all of that. Okay, so you can go ahead and sign up for that there. Once you complete that, assuming you have to take the work keys, then you can go ahead and apply for a license. So if you already have an associate's degree, or if you already have 60 credit hours, or if you've taken and passed the ACT Work Keys exam, then you're ready to apply for your license. In the state of Illinois, we use ELLIS, the Educator Licensure Information System. So if you just Google ELLIS login, which is what I Googled here, you'll find that on the Illinois State Board of Ed website. So if you click there, it will bring you to this page, and you're going to create your account, okay? So you're going to click here for the first time access to the ELLIS system, and you're going to create your account and then apply for the paraprofessional license in Illinois. So that's kind of how you do the process. I unfortunately can't walk you through that because I have already created an account, so it won't let me show you what your screens will look like, but there's the help if you need help, and you can always come see me and I can help you too. So once you get your license, then you're ready to apply for jobs. So you may want to consider setting your schedule for spring so that you're able to work part-time or even full-time as a paraprofessional in a K-12 school. This would be an excellent way to get a foot in the door and to obtain great references. It really is like a job interview. Student teaching placements, all of that stuff can all come from these. And as I've mentioned in class numerous times, I have people emailing me, calling me weekly to get more paraprofessionals. So please consider this as an option. The pay is relatively good for college students. So here, when you're ready, then you can go to k12jobspot.com and you can search for jobs that apply for paraprofessionals. So in the keywords, I put paraprofessional, and then location, I put in Glen Ellen zip code, and then I'm just going to click find jobs. Now it is important to note that they typically sort them by relevance. So you're probably going to want to sort by newest so that you see the ones that are selected or are most recent. And then you can also select ones within the last 30 days. So we have 173 job postings for paraprofessionals near Glen Ellen within the last 30 days. So as you can see, these are much needed positions. So more just got posted today in North Palos, West Chicago, Arlington Heights, Oswego. So what you should know is that most of the paraprofessionals are working with special education students. They may be one-on-one aides. They may be supporting in the classroom. So you're going to want to know that information. So if you just click on a job, then it will tell you what you have to do. It'll give you a job description. This one doesn't give you much of a job description, but there's a job description. And you can also check out their website if you want to check out their website. We've talked about using the Illinois Interactive Report Card, so you may want to use that. You can find out information about the school district and everything else. So if you're ready to apply and you decide, yes, I want to apply for that job, you just click View and Apply, and then you can create an account and apply. The cool thing about using K-12 JobSpot is it saves all of your information. So if you apply for numerous jobs, it'll transfer your information over and it won't make you start over again, entering all of your basic demographic information. Once you've applied, I would highly recommend that you let me know, myself or Shannon or someone in education know that you have applied so that we can follow up with you and hopefully, or follow up with the school that you applied at and hopefully get you the job. Well, you get yourself the job, but hopefully we can help push that along. So anyway, consider setting your schedule for spring so that you do have the availability during the day to go work in a K-12 school. Like I said, great way to get a foot in the door and all of that. If you have questions, please come see me. I'd be happy to help.